Hi guys, today's video I'm taking you guys to another level. So I was scrolling my Facebook page and I saw this recipe. I decided to try it. So I have here with me sweet corn. You can use any type of corn you have. Just peel the corn and then chop it into smaller sizes. Nothing I no go try for this life. Oh. I see this lady dey fry corn. I say, they dey fry corn too. I say, okay now, since I don tire for papa mama style, if you no boil the corn, you go roast am. I say, okay, make I try this frying method, whether the thing go fine o. Anyway, I decided to give it a go. So I'm cutting the corn into smaller sizes, just like what the lady did. Once I'm done cutting it, it's time for me to fry the corn. Yeah, I don't know how this is going to come out, but it's worth trying. So I added salt on it, mix it up nicely, make sure the salt went all over the corn. And then next, I started putting it in the hot oil to fry it. So this is what the lady did. He put the corn in the hot oil, groundnut oil, sunflower oil, whichever one you have, but not palm oil. So fry it until it becomes brown, just like what you're seeing now. So that is it. So next, I'm going to remove the corn from the oil and then place it in a tissue paper, allow the oil to soak in the tissue paper, and then that is it. Next, I'm going to be frying my pear. So I added salt on the pear and then start stirring it around. You know how to roast pear now. This one I'm not going to teach you. Roast it until it becomes very soft, like what you're seeing now. And then that is it. So guys, this is how it looks. It really came out nice. When I tasted the corn and the pear, almost it was heaven. If you're going to be trying this recipe, let me know in the comment section. Trust me, you are going to like it. I was thinking that this will not come out nice, but it tastes amazing. It was really good in my mouth. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section, okay? See you all on my next video. Bye.